Hey everybody, welcome to Scrap and Fun with Beth. My name is Beth Graves. I'm a Creative Memories Advisor and a Forever Ambassador, and I am here with you live in Virginia Beach, Virginia, where it's like 21 degrees. They're getting ready for this crazy snowstorm that apparently they never get. But you can see my view. This is just outside my balcony. Well, the water is outside my balcony. And you can see I have a front row view to the Atlantic Ocean, and oh, I am loving it. But those waves, they are getting rougher and rougher. But anyway, I'm not in the freezing cold that many of you are experiencing in the Midwest with us. My husband said it was like -18, but it feels like -40 or something crazy like that. So anyway, this is going to be quick and sweet, but there is a new product launch coming on Monday, the 26th. And so I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's coming because you're going to be kind of excited. Uh, no joke tonight, guys. I didn't look it up and I'm on a time crunch because I'm at a Creative Memories training. Did I mention that? I don't remember. Anyway, so I am attending an advisor training where we are learning some great ideas for make and takes, all sorts of business tips and ideas, things to make it so much more fun for you as customers. And then if you're my team member and you're watching, lots of fun things to share with you too. Um, and the CEO, Allison Dutton, is here. So I actually got to meet her today, had breakfast with her. I've got my picture taken. Um, and so there's some more cool things that she's been showing us, and I can't wait to tell you more. So anyway, let me hop over to the launch page so that I can kind of go through this quick with you and show you what is coming on Monday at noon Central Time. I'll still be here in Virginia Beach, which is Eastern Time, so it'll be 1 o'clock for me. We'll see if my plane goes out that afternoon or not. A bunch of other ones are getting canceled. Mine so far is on, but again, we'll see what happens. So here is our sneak peek for what's coming. Not sure what that is. Just a moment, sorry. I have I'm on a different computer tonight than I normally do, and so I know what I'm doing. I keep hitting, I don't know what I keep hitting. Hold on, bear with me. I am so sorry. Okay, stop share. I don't know what that is. Gonna go back here to share, 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 share. Okay. I hope you're seeing my screen. Anyway, this is the sneak peek for products coming Monday. I know I've said that a million times. The next album kit is coming. So, The Natural Beginnings, I got to see it today. It is gorgeous. It's these muted colors, these natural colors, with some green and blues thrown in. And so, the album kit, if you guys remember, is the whole collection that comes out with an album and top loading sleeves, and then 16 simple page kits to create a full album. And I am actually going to do another video later when I get home that kind of goes through the different simple page kits options that we have. So stay tuned for that. But you can watch this video on the landing page and learn a little bit more about it. Just remember that this album kit process is designed for any level. We are marketing it to our beginners, but I know some of you guys are going to love this for a quick and easy way to do a beautiful album. I showed the On the Bright Side last weekend at my retreat, and there was a lot of interest in it. So I think that you guys are going to love this, and I can't wait to do one. So there are 3 kits, just like with all of our album kits. So there is an ebony album cover set and a caramel, and then just kind of a plain pearl. And then, of course, you get all the pieces inside. But along with the album kit, we're going to get a Natural Beginnings collection. So we will have a full collection line. And again, you can see a better shot here of the albums. Isn't that beautiful? So our collection, you can do, has a paper pack, tone-on-tone pack, a matte pack, has clear stickers, embellishments, the monthly title embellishments, those 2 album choices, album cover choices, And then the new Sunrise Scallop Border Maker Cartridge is coming out with this collection, and it is so fun. We got to punch it today during our trade show, and it punches so nice. And look at how they layered those. Like, it is just a really cool one. So I know some of you enjoyed my whimsical scallop at the retreat, and those of you that haven't tried it, you're going to want to because it is a super fun one. But this Border Maker cartridge is pretty cool too. So Sunrise Scallop is coming. You can do an order, you can order the buy it all bundle. And remember, you save 10% if you purchase in the first 10 days of the sale of or the launch of the new collection, and you get a project playbook that is included. It does include the new Border Maker cartridge. All of it will be available individually as well. So what else is there? Oh, well, here's your coordinating cardstock for the new collection, The Natural Beginnings. Welcome Home, Deeper in the Woods, and Noteworthy all coordinate. And then here are your favored cardstock colors. And yes, secret boxes are back. So in 2026, we will again have 5 secret boxes. If you purchase box 1, 2, 3, and 4, you will have the opportunity to purchase box 5, which will be exclusive to the people who purchased the other 4. You can also purchase one here and one there, depending on what hits you. You save 10% if you purchase it prior to the virtual crop opening, which will be at the February virtual crop. If you purchase after that, if there are any left, it will resort to full retail price. There will be a brand new border and frame punch in Secret Box 1. And again, I mentioned that 10% off the total value if you order before the virtual crop. And they're saying it's a highly requested theme. I can't decide what that highly requested theme is with the image here. I'm not sure, although I love the blue colors in it. So we will see. If this is something you're interested in, let me know, or you can order on your own on my website starting Monday at noon Central Time. Okay, a couple more things. One more thing, I think. Simple Page Kit number 2, Your Own Way, is available. And again, you can purchase the bundle with all of quarter 1 or wait and do each month when it comes out. And then if you visit my ScrapNFun website, I have the What's New flyer posted, and I will put that information in the description of this video. And so that is what I have for you. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for visiting ScrapNFun with Beth. Enjoy my ocean view for a couple more days. As I know I got a reflection going, but yeah, look at that. It's just down there. Oh, it's great. Anyway, stay warm. Thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks a lot, Beth. Or bye.